Hello my dear students, this is a new activity for you class 12 from the practical. Here you have to study about the adaptive features of plants and animals of xerophytic as well as aquatic habitat. In this video I am going to describe about the adaptive features of one plant and one animal from the xeric condition. Before going into details, let me tell you about the adaptation. Now, adaptation is a quality of the organisms that enables the organism to survive and reproduce in its natural habitat. Any natural habitat comprises of biotic as well as abiotic factors. In the desert or the dry regions or the xeric conditions, the following conditions prevail, that is intense heat, high temperature, strong hot wind, and scarcity of moisture in the atmosphere and soil. So in order to overcome these cumulative effects of these factors, certain morphological and anatomical features as well as physiological processes develop in the organisms. These modifications in selected animals are called adaptive features. Plants and animals living in the xeric conditions have to guard against excessive loss of water by reducing surface area of evaporation, absorbing moisture from the soil and retaining it in the body. The xerophytic plants could be drought escapes, drought evaders, succulents and non-succulents. I am going to describe about one xerophytic plant, that is Euphorbia royaliana, and one xerophytic animal, that is the camel. So let's start with the xerophytic plant. Activity has to be done with either model or virtual images. So I am lucky enough to get a plant near my house, that is the Euphorbia royaliana, where I will tell you about its adaptive feature. But in case of camel, I cannot show you the live camel. Here I am going to teach you about the adaptive features of the camel through pictures and models. So let's get started with the activity. Euphorbia royaliana. This is found on foothills of the Himalayas and shows large leaves on new growth. It is a shrub of the family Euphorbiaceae. Its latex has medicinal values. The characteristics of this plant are: the leaves are drought deciduous, that is, they fall during the drought to prevent loss of water through transpiration. Stem is green and shining. It carries out photosynthesis. Stem possesses shiny paired spines to reduce transpiration and grazing by animals. The stem contains latex which conserves the water and seals the places of injuries. Xerophytic animal, camel. The scientific name of this animal is Camelus dromedarius. It is usually found in the desert regions and it is also called the sheep of desert. It has been used as a task animal for human transport and for bearing loads. It can drink about 50 liters of water in one gulp. Camel can tolerate wide range of temperature and is able to maintain body moisture even during hot period. What are the characteristic features of this animal? It can store fat in the hump rather than all over the body, due to which heat flows away from the body and its thick coat prevents the flow of heat inwards to the body. Long legs keep its vital organs like eyes, ear and mouth away from sand, heat during the daytime. Excretes very little water in the urine and passes dry dung. It rarely perspires and has slow breathing rate to prevent water loss during breathing. There are padded feet and 2 toes on each feet which are adapted for desert life. Padded feet enable it to move in hot and slippery sand. Camel has cleft upper lip, long eyelashes and nostrils which can be closed for the protection from the wind-blown sand. So my dear students, this was all about the xerophytic plant Euphorbia royaliana and the xerophytic animal Camelus dromedarius. So in the upcoming video I am going to describe about the garden lizard, chameleon and Acacia arabica. So wait for the next video for 1 week more. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with me. Bye. Take care.